Welcome to Adi's Adventure.
Hi, my name is
Adu?
Adi.
Adi, today I'm gonna show you one small experiment. That's a soap powered boat. With the soap, the boat gonna move, Adi. And this is very, very simple. For this, we need a big tray to keep some water. So to float boat, we need some water, right? So for this, we need a tray, one marker, one paper plate, and toothpicks, scissors, and soap. Water. Without water, boat can't float, right, Adi? Boat can't go. So first, with a marker, just make the shape of the boat, whatever the shape you want.
This is your boat.
Yeah.
Such as have a boat and I have one.
Like this. Whatever the shape you want, you can make it and cut it with the scissors in a boat shape. So already I cut some pieces here, small pieces here. And Adi, can you pour this water in the tray?
Don't bounce.
Yeah.
The water bounces.
Now
Take the boat. Take a toothpick.
just make then make the boats to go like this. Okay, Adi? And take the toothpick and dip it in the soap.
Hey, you take it.
Yeah. Did you dip it? Which boat do you want? This one? Put it here. Like this. It's going. Do you see? Just put it there. Oh, it's going. Did you see? Oh. Did you see, Adi? The boats are going. Just it's only act once, Adi. If you want to do one more time, can you put that new boat? We have to dump the water.
Oh, that's stuck. It's under there. Huh?
It's not going to work, Nana. Can you take out these boats? If you want to do one more time, just we have to replace the water. So every time if you want to make the boats to move, again we have to change the water. Adi, slowly dump the water in a tray.
Oh, it's a boat.
Yeah. Then put the boats. And now boats are ready to go.
Choo choo hoo hoo hoo. It's already coo coo coo.
Yeah, one is enough. It's going, Adi. It's moving. No need to put.
Oh. Yeah, I put many boats.
Many boats? Do you want to put many boats?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the soap. Oh, it's heavy. If heavy means what happens, Adi? It's gonna sink, right? Thanks for watching.
This house is small. I know it's so
If you likes this video, please subscribe. Bye.
My boat